Is there something we can do to dramatically improve our speaking ability even before we get in front of an audience? Yeah, in fact, there is. And that is the ability to use an outline or bullet points when delivering a speech. Here's the thing, many people, average people, will use a manuscript. They'll have everything written out word for word what they're going to say. And yeah, they may not stumble on their words. They may get everything exactly the way they want it said, but chances are it's going to be boring. But by using an outline, by learning how to gather our thoughts in bullet points and in an outline form, we can dramatically improve our ability to give a speech in a dynamic and engaging way before getting in front of an audience. If you'd like to learn more on how to do this, click on the link in my bio.